Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Tipalti for affiliate payouts and tax collection, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Tipalti for affiliate payouts and tax collection, access your Tipalti account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in the dashboard. In the settings menu, select Payouts. Here, you will find the option to set up your payment methods. Choose the payout methods that you want to offer to your affiliates. This includes options like bank transfers, PayPal, and checks. Next, proceed to the tax compliance section of the settings. Set up your tax forms according to your jurisdiction requirements. Depending on your location, you may need forms like W-9, W-8-BEN, or others. Once you've selected the appropriate forms, you can customize tax collection settings. Enable automatic collection to streamline the process for your affiliates. This will require affiliates to complete necessary tax forms during onboarding. Make sure to review the information required for each form to ensure accuracy. Next, check the Affiliate Management section to configure affiliate profiles. Ensure that each affiliate's information is complete and up to date. This includes their payout preferences and any tax documentation submitted. Once all affiliate profiles are verified, navigate to the Payout Schedules section. Decide on the frequency of payouts that suits your business model. You can choose from options like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payouts. After configuring payout schedules, proceed to set payout thresholds. This determines the minimum amount affiliates must earn before receiving payments. Now, review your entire setup in the Overview section for any discrepancies. Make sure all settings align with your payout and tax policies. Once confirmed, save your settings to finalize the configuration. You can now onboard your affiliates and guide them through their tax form completion. Monitor the payout process to address any issues that may arise. Regularly review your configurations to ensure compliance and efficiency. This concludes the configuration of Tipalti for affiliate payouts and tax collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.